Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, I want to introduce myself. My name is Farah Hairunisa. I am a student at Indraparasta PGRI University from the Faculty of Language and Art with a major in English Education. My NPM is 2020-12-500-541. This presentation intends to help the learners to comprehend the concept of word in English and also the use of the same. So let's begin. What is voice? Voice is that form of the verb that indicates whether a subject is doing the action or receiving the action. When the subject is the doer of the action, the subject is said to be active. Therefore, the sentence is an active one. When the subject is the receiver of the action, the subject is said to be passive. Therefore, the sentence is in passive word. For example, the mason is building the wall. Here the word. Mason subject, he is doing something. It is building the wall. Therefore, it is active subject and the sentence is in active voice. When we change the stanza into passive, the wall is being built by the mason. Here the wall is the subject. It is receiving action and he is being built by the mason is the predicate part of the sentence. The subject is passive. Therefore, the sentence is said to be in passive voice. Please note. The meaning is critical in the transformation of sentence and of course for any language activity. Why sentence with past tense and move or for aspect the word when the voice of the verb is changed is a sentence the same, the tenses should remain as it is in the original sentence. Example: the girl helped the old man to cross the road. This sentence is an active voice. The old man was helped by the girl to cross the road. The sentence is in passive voice, but please note that the word in the simple past tense in the original sentence. He is retained in the passive sentence as well. Good knowledge of tenses a prerequisite for working out. Voice exercise. Let's take a look at tenses because the knowledge of tenses becomes critical when or doing voice simple present. Example: he reads book indicates a habitual action present. Continuous. Example: he is reading a book. Her action happening at the moment is indicator present perfect tense. Example: he is read the book. Her action, he is just finished at it might have implication perfect continuous tense. Perfect continuous. The example: he has been read the book. Action that has gone on for some time. And till the present moment he is one. What is indicate here? Past tense has four corresponding form. Simple past. Example: she ate mangoes, which indicates complete action. Past continuous: she was eating mangoes, which indicates incomplete action or action. Going on past perfect: she had eaten the mangoes. Action complete in the past with present implication. Past perfect continuous. Example: she had been eating the mangoes, an action that has gone on for some time in the past is elongation, coming to future is a time reference and not a tense category. There are only two tenses in English, past and present, and they're different from time. From time is a perfect perception of reality, and there are their time like past, present, and future tense. Is grammatically category marked by inflection. What is verb inflection? A word change into past or present form with an internal move change or with the inflection. For example, the word in present tense can be sing and dance, and their past future time is referred to by 5 different. Why? Let's study the example. The chief minister will inaugurate the function on Thursday. We will which a model is used to indicate future. Tiny next the boy shall remain in school till 4 p.m. Here also we find the use of model that is shall to indicate future time. My uncle is going to arrive in the morning flight. Tomorrow he is going to have the farm, which indicates future time. The train leaves Bengaluru at 4 p.m. and reaches tomorrow at 6 p.m. In the sentence, we find simple present form of verbs to indicate future time. Wisdom he is rushing forward to hit soft rubber. Here person continues from to indicate immediate future as a narration he singing. Passive voice subject and the object of the sentence interchange their position in the sentence. Subject of the active sentence becomes again in the passive sentence, and when the verb is fossilized, we have passive voice. Is there a formula for passive voice? Yes, be plus past participle from of the word give us. Passive, for example, the dawn was painted by him. Change the voice of the verb and not the tense. Use upright from of the word to suit the number of the subject, whether it is in singular or include when in passive or active voice. Preferred. This is getting into the realm of use. Active sentence are preferred when the doer of the action is given. Preference sentences are preferred when the action assumes importance over the doer of the action. Active voice is preferred in fields like literature, art, journalism, etc., which is particularly or generally considered important. Passive voice is preferred in subjects like science, administration, law, etc., where objectivity matters a lot and action becomes more important than goer of the action. There are certain situations where we prefer to use passive voice. Passive voice is preferred in certain cases, like for example, English is spoken all over the world. Here by the people is the agreement, but the agent gets emitted because it is generate reference. Second, say an example, my penny is stolen by somebody is the agent, but is omitted because the agent is uncount. He was asked to resign by the manager. Is the agent omitted? And here it is for the purpose of maintaining officially secret of or confidentiality. This letter was posted last night by him or her. The agent part of the sentence is unspecified, so work in the sentence has to be paid whether the sentence is in active voice or passive voice. Coming to yet another aberration of the active and passive rules, double object. We do have sentence with the two objects, and we have such sentence two objects. Two passive forms are possible. Example, on my father gave me this watch. Here my is the first object, this watch is the second object. Please check how these two objects can become subject in two different passive sentences. I was given this watch by my father. This watch was given to me by my father. Example, to the manager refers him admission. Here him is the first object, admission is the second object. We have the passive form of the sentence. He was referred admission by the manager. Admission was referred to him by the manager. Moving on to action voice when you convert the sentence from passive voice to active voice. What are we supposed to do? Activate the verb in the sentence to make it active voice. Example, on the clerk was given permission to attend the meeting by the manager. So this is given passive sentence. When we change it into the manager gave permission to the clerk to attend the meeting, please note the verb give indicates the manager that is subject is doing action. Example, to a new mobile store can be opened by them last week. This is changed as they had opened a new mobile store last week. By activating the word transitive verb, this becomes co-equal in terms for converting active or passive sentence. Passive conversation is possible only when the is used transitively and the sentence has an object. So is transitive verb. A transitive verb is a word that object the transfer action for the subject to the object. So unless we have a transitive verb in a sentence, we cannot change it into passive. Example 1. The ship sank slowly. Intransitive use of the word sank. Passive is not possible. Example 2. The sword sank the ship. Transitive use, therefore passive is positive. The ship was sunk by the shot. So here please note that we have used the same verb but in the first sentence intransitively and in the second sentence transitive, so same words can be used in an intransitive manner or in a transitive. So what are the steps to follow when you are converting a sentence from active to passive? First of all, locate the verb in the sentence. Next, identify the voice or of the word, whether it is active or passive. Then you change from active to passive. Use be plus past participle form of the main verb. Next, to change from passive to active, use present or past from the main verb and agent in the passive sentence. Is Eat only when it is necessary. For the meaning of the sentence, let's move on to exercise. Try to work out this exercise and find out